Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time to my channel, I welcome you and thank you for stopping by. If you're a return subscriber, I appreciate you coming back to see what's going on. So I wanted to jump on real quick to give you an update of how the filling of the beds went and show you the progress that I've done. So you're looking at the round bed, and as you can see, soil is all the way in, along with the, in the previous video, we saw compost. Sorry about that. I was trying to kill a spider that was crawling on my camera. But in the previous update, you saw that I had put in a lot of manure in the form of horse manure in the beds, and I was getting ready to start putting in the soil. So of the of the 8 beds that are here, 7 of them are ready. The long rectangular one, I'm still working on filling it with brown or carbon stuff such as tree limbs and leaves and logs. So once I finish doing that, I'll go ahead and start putting compost into it and then topping it off with the soil. But everything else is ready to go pretty much. I was going to go ahead and do all 7 of these today, but I cannot do it mainly because of the topsoil that I ordered from Walmart. I underestimated how much I needed, so I have to get some more. And I really can't do that today because it is supposed to be raining cats and dogs the rest of this afternoon and all day tomorrow. So I'll probably get back to filling the beds on Friday and Saturday, maybe Sunday. I can actually start the drip irrigation system, and hopefully we'll be ready to start transplanting plants out and have Urban Garden 2.0 ready to go. So, as I said, it was just going to be a quick update and let you know the progress that I've made. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. The upcoming year, I hope to have really big things going on at Urban Backyard Container Gardening, and I'm inviting you to be a part of it. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Leave me a comment, and you can share my material. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.